Hello, my name is Ana Sevilla, and I belong to the Camille Research Group of the Department of Applied Linguistics at Universidad Polytecnica de Valencia. I'd like to talk to you about First Certificate in English, Paper 4 Listening, Part 1, which is a multiple choice task. In First Certificate in English, Paper 4 Listening, you need to show that you can understand the meaning of a range of spoken material, including news programs, speeches, stories, anecdotes, public announcements, etc. Paper 4 is 40 minutes long, and it is split into 4 parts. Part 1 includes a series of 8 short and related extracts from monologues or exchanges between interacting speakers. There is one multiple choice question per extract. Candidates are expected to be able to show understanding of attitude, detail, function, idea, opinion, purpose, situation, specific information, relationship, topic, agreement, etc. Part 2 is a monologue or text involving interacting speakers with a sentence completion task which has 10 questions. Part 3 includes 5 short related monologues with 5 multiple matching questions. As for Part 4, it is a monologue or text involving interacting speakers with 7 multiple choice questions. This sample exercise focuses in Paper 4, Part 1. In this paper, you hear 8 short and related extracts, and you have to answer several multiple choice questions. The extras are either monologues or conversations between 2 or more speakers. There are several different types of questions, testing your ability to understand the general idea, the main point of the extract, what people's opinions are, how they are feeling, where they are, or who they are. In this example, you will hear one extract, and you will also be asked some questions. Now we're going to listen to this first extract. First of all, we're going to read the questions you will be asked. 1. You hear part of an interview on the radio. Who's being interviewed? A. A nanotechnology engineer, B. A chemist, or C. A chemical engineer.
At the moment, I'm working as part of a team looking at how nanotechnology can help to fight crime. Recently, there's been a lot of talk in scientific circles on how science can help detect and prevent crime, and it's an area of research that's been pretty much neglected until now. It's something that goes across all the scientific disciplines. My background is in chemical engineering, and we're hoping that we can find lots of really practical applications for nanotechnology. So far, we've come up with a way of using nanoparticles to detect biological toxins such as the poison ritzy, which has been used in terrorist attacks. We use gold nanoparticles, which are 16 nanometers in diameter. That's about 1/5000th the width of a human hair. So they're pretty small. The nanoparticles are coated with a sugar which can detect a specific biological substance. When a small amount of the substance is present, it reacts with the sugar coating and causes the nanoparticle to change color. We're hoping this technology can be incorporated into a portable detector that can be used at the crime scene. At the moment, samples of suspect substances usually have to be sent to the lab, and detectives have to wait for the results. Our device would give instant results. We can also use nanoparticles to detect bacteria such as E. coli, and we're working on mixtures of nanoparticles that could be used to test for a variety of toxins. Another thing we've discovered is that the extent of the color change shows the amount of toxin present. So we don't just detect the toxin, but we get quantitative information as well. This means that the technology could be very useful in determining whether contaminated water is safe to drink, for example.
You have listened to the extract, let's take a look at the questions again. You hear part of an interview on the radio. Who's being interviewed? A nanotechnology engineer, B, a chemist, C, a chemical engineer. Pick your answer. And now let's move on to the answer key. The right answer could be a chemical engineer. Now, exercise 2 is a complementary activity we're going to tell you to do. Listen to the extract again and answer the following questions. What are this person and his team investigating? And the second question is, what could be the main use of the device they are talking about? Think about your answer for a second, and now let's move on to the answer key. The answer could be, this person and his team are investigating how nanotechnology can help fight crime. The main use of the device is to fight against crime. Thank you very much.